Jai Srimanarayana. 145th Namam from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Bhoktre Namaha. O Srimanarayana, you are the one who consumes all offerings of devotees. O Srimanarayana, you are the one who wholeheartedly enjoys all the offerings of devotees. O Srimanarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Bhoktre Namaha. Om Bhoktre Namaha. With all amount of bhavana, let us keep on offering great services to Srimanarayana, who is there within our own heart. While enjoying all those offerings, Srimanarayana keeps on giving us, conferring us unlimited divine fruits. With that kind of bhavana, with that kind of faith, let us sing the glory of Srimanarayana. Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, now Kausalya Devi, realizing that she cannot stop Rama, now she is saying that, "Oh Rama, I cannot stop you, but now you go and finish your Aranyavasam successfully. For that, I am offering all my blessings. I am offering a great level of protection to you. O Rama, all the seva that you have done to me and to your father, that seva, that dharma will protect you wherever you are. O Rama, you never lied and you always follow the steps of orders of your father, and you always stick to the truth, that Satya Vakya Paripalana, that righteousness, that dharmam will take care of you in all circumstances. O Rama, Chiranjeeva Abhirakshatu, may you be blessed with long life. O Rama, in the forest, in the ashramas, all the rishis, for their yajnas, they use samidhas. Those samidhas may protect you all the time. O Rama, all those darbha that is used by great rishis, the very sacred darbha, may confer you great level of protection to you. O Rama, all those rishis, whatever the yajnas that they are doing, all those Agni Vedikas will protect you all the time. O Rama, all the places of divinities that are temples may protect you all the time. O Rama, all those devatas who are there in the temples having so many wonderful alankarams, decorations, those devatas will protect you all the time. My son Rama, all the mountains, all the trees, all the ponds, all the birds, all the snakes, all the lions, all the animals will protect you. Oh my dear Rama, swasti sadhyascha visvecha marutascha maharshayah swasti dhata vidhata cha swasti pusha bhagoryama. Rama, all the great devatas like sadhyas, visve devatas, all the wind devatas, all the maharshis, dhata, vidhata, virat purusha, brahma, aditya, pusha, bhaga, aryama, devendra, lokapalakas, all the seasons, all the fortnights, all the months, all the years, all the nights, all the days, all the muhurtas, everything will confer you great high level, huge level of protection. O Rama, smritihi dhrutischa dharmascha patu tvam putra sarvataha. All the dharmas which are disclosed by great scriptures, Vedas will protect you. My dear Rama, Bhagavan Kumaraswami, the moon, the Brahaspati, Sapta Rishis, Narada will be protecting you in all circumstances and in all aspects and respects. O Rama, I am praying all the sides, all the Dikpalakas, all the Devatas. May all the Devatas will receive my prayers, will understand my pain, will understand my love towards you. After getting all my prayers, all the Devatas will be around you all the time protecting you. Like this, Kausalya Devi spontaneously, with high level amount of love and affection towards Ramachandra Swami, she is conferring a protection to Sri Ramachandra Swami. Afterwards, what happens we will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 16th sloka. Bhrajishnuh bhojanam bhokta Sahishnuh jagadadijah anagho vijayo jeta visvayonihi punarvasuhu. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Om Bhoktre Namaha. Om Bhoktre Namaha. Om Bhoktre Namaha.